Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to verify your Uber account. So I was setting up Uber on a fresh install and realized something. Getting everything verified is actually simpler than it looks, but the app makes it feel a bit more serious than it really is. So I opened the Play Store, downloaded Uber like normal, signed in with my email, and landed straight on the main dashboard. From there, I tap into the accounts section at the bottom, then check my profile area where Uber usually prompts you to complete your setup. That's where the real process begins. It asks you to verify basic things like your phone number and email, and sometimes even pushes a quick identity check depending on your region. It's basically Uber making sure, hey, are you a real person? Nothing too dramatic. Just standard minutes or verification. I went through it step by step, and honestly, it only takes a few minutes if your details are ready. Once that's done, your account is fully active and ready to use without those annoying restrictions popping up later. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.